Good morning or good afternoon, whatever time it is where you are. I just wanted to do a quick video. I haven't done a video in this group for a long time, but having some conversations, and it made me think of something I wanted to tell you. Uh, so the title is Two Things More Important Than Your Email Copy. Sounds crazy because it's an email copywriting group, right? But there are two things that are more important than the copy you write in your emails. I said this is going to be quick. Number one is you have to be selling or promoting or talking about something that's actually important, something that your readers actually really want. So, for example, you see, I bring this up, and actually I'm sitting in this area in my house right here. You can see I've got like a whole area dedicated to mermaids. Now, what's up with that? My wife loves mermaids. It's one of the things that she loves. And she's dedicated a space in our front room here called the Mermaid Lounge. We also have a mermaid cove, and we have some other things. But this is important to her. She likes it. She cares about it. If you have crappy copy, she doesn't care. She wants it. She's interested in it. If it's about mermaids, she wants to see it. So that is more important than your copy. Having something that your people actually want, they want to read about, they want to know about, they want to buy, they feel is an important part of their life. If you cover that, if you talk about that, you give them information about that and opportunities to spend money on that, they will do it. And whether your copy is really good or really not that good. Anthony, good to see you, brother. So that's number one. Number two is related, because if you're doing the first thing, you'll probably qualify for the second thing. But it's you need to be the kind of person or personality or company, I suppose, that your readers like and want to be around, want to read from, hear from. If you have one of those personalities or writing styles that people genuinely like, feel a connection with, values connection, interest connection, you got some kind of affinity, people will hang around and read from you, even if your copy isn't great. It's not even really copy at some point. I mean, it's copy, but it's really just a conversation between two people who are interested in the same thing, or two people who like each other. And if you can keep people around and reading, keep people around and interested and engaged over time, you're going to find that the ones who want to buy will buy. But again, it ties back to the idea that you're selling something that they actually want. If you're not selling something that they want, they probably won't stick around that long anyway. But you know what I mean. So those are two things. You really do need to have strong copy. No matter what you do, you can always make it better with good, strong copy. But the most important thing is finding something that your readers, something that they passionately want. Or put it another way, find an audience who passionately wants the thing that you sell, the thing that you promote, the thing that you talk about, more than they need it. If they want it, they're like mermaids, they're passionate about it, they care about it, obsessed a little bit with it. Go find those people, and they will be interested even if your copy is mediocre. And if it's great, you'll be killing it. And then the second thing is to kind of be the personality people want to hear from and read, whose emails they want to read. I'm not sure how to make that short. That's an ongoing process. We're all kind of learning it. But you know from experience there are people whose emails you just enjoy reading. So try to be that kind of a person. And then your copy, once again, doesn't have to be, you don't have to hire a $10,000 copywriter to write your emails. You can just talk to your people about what you share an interest in, and they'll hang out and they'll buy from you. So that's all I wanted to say for today. Have fun. It should be a happy Friday and good way to kick off March. So anyway, have a good one.